The Dseap wall-mount coat rack offers a long, continuous rail with 10 generously spaced tri-hooks, making it ideal for busy entryways and mudrooms that need serious hanging capacity. Its combination of stainless steel and aluminum alloy feels solid and durable, so it handles heavy coats, bags, and layers without sagging or bending over time. The extended hook arms with rounded ends do a good job of preventing straps, scarves, and delicate fabrics from slipping off or getting snagged. With a length designed to line up with standard wall stud spacing and 3 mounting points, installation is straightforward and the rack feels very secure once anchored. The contrasting white rail and black hooks give it a clean, modern look that works well with both minimalist spaces and more traditional home decor. Because it can hold many items in a compact footprint, this rack is especially useful for organizing small hallways, closets, bathrooms, or laundry areas where floor space is limited.